This is a video tour of 1840 Duck Creek in Cincinnati, Ohio. This apartment building is about a half mile to Hyde Park. Enter through the door and into the living room. You can see beautiful hardwood floors in this apartment, large picture windows. This is a very good size living room. Exit the living room. You do have a hallway closet here. Into the kitchen. This is a large eat-in kitchen. You have an electric stove, stainless steel sink, lots of cabinetry. Out of the kitchen, down the hall to the front bedroom. Again, beautiful hardwood floors, ceiling fan in the bedroom. The closet space. Down the hall into the bathroom. It does have a bathtub as well as a shower. Out of the bathroom and into the rear bedroom. Again, a ceiling fan in the bedroom. Two large windows. And back out into the front living room. That is the video tour of 1840 Duck Creek Road in Cincinnati, Ohio.